What up, everybody, and welcome to the Wheel Vlogs. So you're gonna love this. I went out and got a new whip, straight fresher than fresh. Got another great day full of adventures. What? Check out the new whip, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Fresher than fresh. Super clean. Nah, I'm just kidding. This is my boy Cameron's over there. How you like the new truck, Cam?
It's a beaut. Love it.
Cam just picked this truck up a few days ago. Got a decent deal on it. It's got about 70-something thousand miles. Huge 35s, 10-inch lift. I mean, come on. That thing is awesome.
After. The bumper was painted after. He walks up and starts knocking on the bumper.
We going anywhere?
Takes a little bit to get into. Good little step up. That's for damn sure. Yeah, I like being above. That truck used to be like huge to me in the Eclipse like that. Yeah. You guys hungry? Do you want to go to McDonald's or something?
I could eat.
Definitely an upgrade, we'll say that. But I had to keep the color, you know? Red and black looks good, and I didn't want to have to buy new shoes. I have 35 Mickey Thompsons on it, but there's only a 5-inch lift, and this truck's bigger than it, for sure. Then this has Bluetooth and everything. So I already made that big.
Yeah, this thing is crazy serious.
You got the
eye level with the stop signs.
Yeah, and I like that it sounds somewhat decent. It's not super loud, which I don't.
Definitely.
That was so funny. She was like, "Oh, that'd be cool if we had like a handicap symbol." You're like, "All right, I'll make one."
Yeah, why not?
Just made one up.
You know, you gotta park somewhere.
Yeah. People know now. Maybe start, get out there. Well, really depending on the Rib Fest, if we're going or not. Because if we're going, do you want me to swing by and get you?
What time?
Maybe around like 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Fishing from there.
Yeah, we could do that. That sounds good.
All right, man. I'll see you.
Take it easy. What a cool truck, huh? Wouldn't it be just great if, like, all of us could just ride around in a truck like that? That's awesome. He's gonna come back later. We're gonna go to the Rib Fest and then go try to catch some more fish, hopefully.
We good with everything then? I mean,
I think so.
holes, coolers. He did keep some bait, so.
Got some bait?
Yeah, got a little bit of bait.
Alright, loading up the poles, gonna go fishing later. Right now heading to the Rib Festival. He's got some Halloween decorations going on over there. I'm pretty excited. I haven't had really good ribs in a while, but I hate ribs at like a restaurant because I feel like restaurants just suck at making ribs.
True barbecue ribs here.
Right.
Some good ones. Where's you guys parking? Oh, okay.
Nice.
Park next to the minivan, please.
Alright.
I need to go help them.
Park next to this one right here. Just parked the big red truck. Whew. Let's go get some ribs. Yeah. Oh no, let's pick one. It smells good. Let's get it. Barbecue Masters. Alright guys, just finished at the Rib Festival. It was delicious, it was amazing. Had a good time.
Great time.
Sorry I couldn't my battery was running out. So didn't get all the great details, but it was delicious. Just know that.
We got all the great taste though.
Yeah,
That's for damn sure.
Just know that. Let's go get some fish now.
Hell yeah.